They taste like dirt. They taste like, you feel like you have like grit in your mouth, and it's just not fun. Hey guys, so I hope you liked that mini grocery haul. On our way to the gym right now, we're gonna do some back and biceps, and I'm gonna take you through that workout. And it's really sunny, so I'm gonna put my shades on, and we'll see you at the gym. So we're gonna get into some stretching before this back routine. It's really good to just get the blood flowing to your back before you start doing these heavy movements. We're not gonna go too heavy today because I got a flag football game tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go like moderately heavy. So let's get it. Hey guys, so hope you enjoyed that workout. I hope you try it. It's a really good back and bicep workout. Ooh. We got the fettuccine alfredo from Olive Garden with some chicken and broccoli, and it is absolutely amazing. Highly recommended if you want it for your cheat day. We're definitely going to use the energy from this tomorrow morning at my game. So we're going to eat this, go shower, go to bed. Now we're going to get on to the product review in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so we're at a different location today. We're doing the review at the beach. It's really nice right now. It's dusk, but we're gonna get this off before the sun goes down. So I switched to the vegan Ghost protein. It's the peanut butter cereal milk flavor, and I've been hooked on Ghost's protein flavors for a while now because they're just spot on and they're perfect. And especially like the vegan protein because my body doesn't react well to dairy, so I use almond milk with this, and it's perfect. Vegan protein does have a lot of benefits, and for me, this I don't really blow it up that much after I'm done with this. So I am making the switch, and if I had to give this a rating, it's definitely a 10 out of 10, because a lot of vegan proteins, I've tried a couple, they taste like dirt. They taste like, you feel like you have like grit in your mouth, and it's just not fun. So 10 out of 10 Ghost Protein. You have to go get it. Definitely make the switch. It literally just tastes like peanut butter. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.